I am replacing and upgrading a whole bunch of kitchen utensils and serving items with this gift set from Zulay Kitchen. They have the coolest stuff. I'm ready to order some more things. And yeah, this is boxed as a beautiful gift set and would be great for someone starting up their kitchen, but I'm sorry, this gift is for me. But if you'd like one, I have an offer code Sunday Meal Prep and you can save on all of the things in Zulay Kitchen. But let's check this out. Now, why would I do this? I have most of these utensils. I'll tell you why. These are very durable, no doubt, but I have really good quality cookware, the kind that lasts for years, and these are damaging. And as far as the plastics and all the silicons, I'm beginning to question the benefit of these, and I'm just starting to read things that I'm not comfortable with. So this set is made from teak wood. So teak wood is great because, of course, it's safe, but it's also very durable. I mean, they make ships out of teak wood. All right, I mean, you know, so it's going to be safe and it's going to last. And I love how each item is individually wrapped. It's like getting all these gifts in one package. There's 9 items here. So this would be your ladle. Isn't that beautiful? So these are great for the actual preparation as well as just for serving, right? Because you'd be proud to put this at the table. These aren't so pretty. This is a spatula, but also could be used for serving. Beautiful spatula for serving. Just look at the wood, and this is what's nice about it. When you have something made of teak wood, each and every one is going to be unique. It has its own beautiful wood pattern on it. So that just makes it really nice. And here is a companion spatula. This is a flatter one. So pancake day, yay. All right. So this is the slotted spatula. So great for turning or serving something where there's oil cooking, or if you're steaming something and you want to pull it out, this will allow drainage. This is so fun. I love getting new things for the kitchen, can you tell? All right, so this is for serving or cooking, and it's great for pasta. It also works well for salad. I know it's not made for that, but it is basically a pasta server, but you can use it for whatever you like. And here is your slotted spoon. This is fantastic when you have something that has a little bit of liquid in it and you want to just get the vegetables out, for example, or the stew. This is great. And look how pretty. Everything is so beautiful. I just love the look and feel of each and every one of these. This is a serving spoon. So you can see it's a little bit shorter than the utensils used in the kitchen. Very pretty, of course. And this is going to be your serving fork, right? Spoon, fork. So these together make your salad set, right? Very pretty. And I have here, I could look on the side of the box and see what I'm getting, so here is your round server. This is also considered a serving spoon, and this is considered the salad spoon. So we have those two. The story of the company. And you also get included these really nice hooks. So if you have a pot rack or a rod in your kitchen and you would like to hang these utensils, these hooks come with it, which is fantastic. I'm going to put mine in this and display them beautifully in the kitchen. And yes, I know, I have some cinnamon here. It keeps the fruit flies away, and I use it to season my chai and my coffee and things. But beautiful set. I'm really excited to get going on my cooking in a safe and beautiful way.